Hello friends, I am blessed to come across Santosh Gare sir's classes. In these classes, we have been taught so many things 5 days finished in just like this. And so many things we learned, like how to make video, how to make a Facebook page, Zoom meeting, content for Zoom meeting, content for video making, how to make your YouTube channel, how to operate your YouTube channel, how to do your marketing. This is a very different kind of experience I have. Been in this industry from past 15 years. I have been doing the traditional way of doing marketing and getting references from my customer and doing business with them. With this new era, digital marketing, I learned so many things. And sirs gives us so much knowledge and encourage us to apply those in our life so that the all the day the steps have become very easy. First day they trained how to make video. Second day, they trained what is the importance of making the video, gave the content, and he has explained how to make the video, how to upload, how to make your YouTube channel. Very easy format he is having. The 3 hours classes went in a swipe, in a blink of minute, and we were like, no, wanting if he can speak more and we can get more knowledge out of it. So, I will suggest and recommend every one of you to go ahead and book these classes because you are going to get many things. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the team for making it smooth journey for us from traditional market to digital market. Thank you so much.